friends, today I will explain you what are modals. So let me tell you about first modals. So modal are the verb that tell us about the speaker mood or attitude and the action or state what the speaker is thinking. So now second one is modal characteristics. So what are modal characteristics? The first modal characteristic is a modal doesn't change according to number or person of the subject. Means इसका सब्जेक्ट चेंज होता है पर इसका मोडाल चेंज नहीं होता. जैसे वी कैन प्ले, इसमें हम देखेंगे अगर हम दूसरा सेंटेंस लेते हैं, इफ़ वी टेक अनदर सेंटेंस लाइक दे can play, so in this sentence we can say that our modal doesn't change but our subject will change. Our second one is a modal is always used with a verb in its basic form. The modal takes the tense while the main verb remains the same. इसमें का है कि मोडाल जो है वो अपने बेसिक फॉर्म से चेंज होता है पर जो उस सेंटेंस का मेन वर्ब होता है वो चेंज नहीं होता. जैसे आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, अगर हम इसका सेकंड सेंटेंस लिखें आई कुड स्पीक इंग्लिश, तो इसमें मोडाल चेंज होगा, कैन कुड चेंज हुआ पर जो हमारा आई स्पीक इंग्लिश तो वो हमारा चेंज नहीं हो. थर्ड है मोडाल कैन बी यूज अलोन इन रिस्पॉन्स टू अ क्वेश्चन. इसमें का है कि इसमें मोडाल जो है वो अकेला अपना मतलब रिस्पॉन्स भी अपने आप मतलब मोडाल कैन यू लिफ्ट दिस बैग, तो इसमें जो हमारा सेंटेंस है वो कैन से शुरुआत, तो इसमें ये हमारा मोडाल का एक सेंटेंस है कैन यू लिफ्ट दिस बैग, तो इसमें भी मोड से शुरू हुआ है और आंसर भी हम मोडाल में देंगे आई कैन. सो now we are learning about what are modal auxiliaries. So in modal auxiliary shall, should, will, would, can, could, might, must, and now I will explain you can, could. So in this ability, offer, possibility, request and permission. Like in ability she can play the piano. In offer can I help you. Possibility में smoking can cause cancer. Request can you hand me the pencil. Permission can I speak to. And in could ability suggestion possibility request permission. Like in ability I could smell something burning. Suggestion I could help you with. Possibility you could have called first. Request can I go to the park. Permission could I speak to Mary. So our second is might. In this suggestion condition possibility. Suggestion in suggestion you might want to take a break. In condition if you ask her out she might say yes. Possibility it might rain tomorrow. So third is should. So in this advice, obligation or probability. In advice you got a 50 out of 100 on your exam, you should have studied more. On obligation we should go to class every day. In probability a ticket to New York should not cost a lot. Fourth is could. Ability suggestion request permission possibility. An ability Jim could run fast when he was young. In suggestion we could take a taxi. Request can I please have a check. Permission can I take Friday off. Possibility you could have called first. In would condition request offer future in the past, habit in the past. In condition if we had a car we could drive to work. Request could you lend me a pen please. Offer will you like me to drive you home. Future in the past we thought we would arrive on time but we were late. Habit in the past when I lived in a country I could go for a walk in the wood every day. Now will. In modern English, there are tendency to use will in all persons to indicate future tense, request, promise, habit, determination, and characteristic. To show future tense, example like my friend will come tomorrow. To express request, example will you have coffee? To express promise, I will take care of your brother. To show the determination, example like they will fight till the last. To show habit, example she will be talking all the time with no work. To show characteristics, example this will work very well and will not give any trouble. So hope you liked my presentation. Please like and comment. Thank you.